Yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you about email marketing. Email marketing is normally done using autoresponders. Autoresponders, you have MailChimp, you have Aweber, then you have things like GetResponse.com. I will suggest these three, and I normally use MailChimp. Let's say, for example, if I go to MailChimp, I go login, and in the login, you log using a username and password. Let's see. Okay, you have to keep your login. You know, you have note down your password very carefully, because you will always be using it again and again. So if I log into my email autoresponder, okay, you can see there are 767 subscribers, and these are the recent campaigns which I have done. So you can see it has beautiful metrics. So any campaign, you can see what is the kind of response you have got. For example, you have this response where you have 45 almost people have opened. It is 18.2% open rate. So if you want to view, you can view that campaign and see what is the kind of success rate you have got in that campaign, and who are the people who have actually who have viewed. For example, if I say view report, right, let's say if I view report, I am able to see how many people have opened, how many clicks have I got, and this is bounced and unsubscribed, and you can see the people who have opened, people who number of times they have opened the email. So all these things you can use. And campaigns, if you want to launch, you can create new campaigns, like create campaigns and so on. So you can do A/B testing and all those things. So this is a software which you can use for email marketing. And how you collect emails is probably through something called opt-ins, where you have an opt-in where people might enter their email ID, here whatever email ID they are supposed to, yeah, like that, gmail.com, something like that, right? So that's how you use these autoresponders for email marketing campaigns.